Can you watch movies while you are asleep?
No, because your eyes are closed. So how are you supposed to see the movie?
You make a very good point.
Captain Starlight is from outer space, so he's getting Earth kids to explain it to them.
My favorite types of movies: suspense. My least favorite is horror and romance. Ugh. And comedies. I really like comedy. I like comedies. I like animation movies as well.
What's your favourite movie?
The 3 Cars movies.
There's 3 of them.
Yes, there's 3 of them.
Okay, can you please give me the plot of all 3 Cars movie?
A racing car named Lightning McQueen. He gets trapped in Radiator Springs, but then he starts to sort of figure out the sort of history of it, and then now now he has a sort of maybe adapted to Radiator Springs. He's now an official member, yeah, and he has a mentor called Doc Hudson. He's AKA the Hudson Hornet. I really like Mater because he always has that silly mind going on in his head, and he just likes to let things just flow around. Especially like in Cars 2, he was like sort of the main character. Yeah, he was like the main character. Yeah.
What's a mater?
A Mater?
Nothing. What's the matter with you?
Cars 2, just so you know, it's the after Cars 1. It's the plot. So Mater, he accidentally stumbles on a spy mission with 2 other agents called Finn McMissile and Holly Shifwell. So what happens in Cars 3 is that Lightning McQueen, he keeps losing to this next-gen racer called Jackson Storm. And he's the antagonist in the movie.
What's an antagonist?
An antagonist is like the bad guy. He's the evil guy. Trust me, you have to watch the movies. They are amazing.
If you were a car in the Cars movie, what kind of car would you be?
I'll be a tow truck like Mater.
In the Cars movie, they've got eyes and they can talk. I wonder, is there people inside of the cars driving them?
There is no one in the cars. People are having theories about that.
What theories are they having?
Fans are having theories about who made the buildings because, I mean, those buildings, they cannot be made by cars, right? Because they don't have any hands.
They have mirrors.
They have mirrors, but they can't move the mirrors. Maybe before the cars took over, maybe humans were building the world around it, but then once the cars took over, maybe the cars like possessed the humans or something.
Planet of the Cars, that is coming this summer. Cars 4, Planet of the Cars.
Captain Starlight is from outer space, so he's getting Earth kids to explain it to them.
Wow.